mathematics method is going to be another method that we are going to use and solve overlapping questions. This method is going to be used when the total number of elements could be classified according to two different variables, and each of those variables has two or more categories. For example, we could have the variable gender. This variable could be classified as male and female. We also could have the variable football team, and this variable could be divided as Arsenal, Barcelona, and Real Madrid. In this method, you should be careful that the sum of the total of each row should be equal to the sum of the total of each column. This is the key to solve most of the problems.
At GMAT Preparation, there are 250 employees. Of these, 90 are female and the rest are males. There are a total of 40 managers, and the rest of the employees are associates. If there are a total of 135 male associates, how many female managers are there? First of all, which method should we use to solve the problem? Here we'll use matrix to organize data. Columns will be for genders, female and male, and rows will be for jobs, associates and managers. There's a total of 250 people, and notice that information given leads to order. 90 are female, therefore 160 are male. 40 are managers, therefore 210 are associates. Now, 135 are male associates, therefore 25 must be male and managers. If 40 people are managers and 25 of them are male, 15 of them must be female. How many female managers are there? 15. Choice B is correct. At a certain academy, 80% of the teachers are female. 48% of the teachers are female and are 30 years old or more. Also, 20% of the teachers who are less than 30 years old are male. What percent of the teachers are 30 years old or more in that academy? Well, first of all, which method should we use to solve the problem? Well, here we'll use a matrix to organize data. Columns will be for genders, female and male, and rows will be for ages, younger than 30 years old or older than 30 years old. Now, let's assume there are 100 teachers, just to avoid calculating percents. So, 80% of the teachers are female, therefore 20 are male. Now, 48% of the teachers are female and are 30 years old or more. Female and 30 years old or more is right here. Now, 80 minus 48, 32. 32 teachers are female and younger than 30 years old. Now, 20% of the teachers who are less than 30 years old are male. Let's focus on this part. Teachers who are less than 30 years old. Let X be a number of teachers who are less than 30 years old. Now, 20% of X are male. 20% is the same as 0.2 0.2 times x are male and less than 30 years old. So we know that the sum of these two numbers is x. 32 plus 0.2 times x equals x. Finally we get that 0.8 times x equals 32. 8 over 10 times x equals 32. X equals 32 times 10 over 8. We can cancel this one and this one. Over 8, 1 over 8, 4. X equals 40. Now, what percent of the teachers are 30 years old or more? 30 years old or more are right here. So if x is 40, then this is 60. Choice E is correct.